Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Devam, and today we're going to learn how to make interactive objects using proximity prompts in Roblox Studio. So, uh, proximity prompts are actually perfect to make your game highly interactable and add that extra gameplay. And I actually suggest you adding this in your game since it's one of the key features that almost every famous game on Roblox has. And it's really easy to make. I mean, you can make anything out of it. You can actually door systems, treasures, just everything you can imagine, even picking up weapons, swords, like everything. So I think we should actually dive into it. It's like really simple. So to start, we need to add actually a part in the workspace so I can show you how it looks. So we're gonna go to the part and we're gonna add proximity prompt right here. So basically it would just be like a small pop-up when a player goes next to it. He will see this small UI and you can interact with it just like every other game. I'm pretty sure I already saw it before. So we got the proximity prompt right here, and we got all these settings right here. Okay, you can see it down in the properties. So first thing we can actually before we even dive into it, I'm gonna show you how it looks. So here's the part, and this is, you see, this is the pop-up. Now I'm gonna explain every single thing that is in here. Okay, action text is the thing we just saw, like the interact. You can change it to anything you want. I mean, pick up, for example, if you want to pick up the part, just depends on you. Then we got hold duration. That means how long the player has to hold the hotkey on the keyboard to pick up the thing or just do the action. Okay, so for example, I'll just set up here like 3 seconds. You can set up how much you want, depends on your game. Okay, then we got the keyboard key code. This is basically on what button the player has to click. Okay, we got E right now, but we got E set up, but you can put like R, T, you can put anything on it. Okay, like everything actually. If I was you and I had many proximity prompts in the game, I would have each like single action have a different keyboard key code. Okay, then we got the max activation distance. That means how far the player has to be able to hold the interaction just to do the action, you know? You can I have the basic is 10, but you can set up to however much you want. But I suggest adding like 20. Since 10 is pretty short and you have to be like really close to it, I think 20 is a good one. Don't put like high numbers like 50, 60, since Tilbury, even if it's far away, it will just pop on his screen and will kind of be annoying. You know what I mean? Then we got the name, which is just the name in the Explorer of the proximity prompt. There's nothing to it. And then we got the style, we got default and custom. You can do whatever you want with it, okay? But so basically this is just the settings. It's very simple. There's nothing hard to it, okay? You can just play around in Roblox Studio. Just it's this. Now actually to make it work, we're gonna add a script. Not to proximity prompt, we're gonna add a script to the part, okay? I'm gonna name this script action, and we can dive into scripting. So the first thing I'm actually gonna do is I'm gonna name the part in workspace to cube, let's say, and I'm gonna remember the name, okay? Because now I'm gonna start coding and I'll be explaining every single line and every single word to you, so you know what it means and how it works, okay? So to start, we're gonna of course type local part equals workspace dot, and now you type the name of the part that you're using. In this case, it's named cube, so I'm gonna put cube. Whatever you have named, if it's named door, key, whatever you name, you put that name over there, okay? Now I'm gonna set local prompt equals part wait for child, And inside we're gonna type proximity prompt, which is this one. So what this means, it means that to wait for child proximity prompt ensures that the script actually finds the prompt, okay? Which is right here. Now we're gonna skip a line and we're gonna type prompt that triggered connect. We're gonna type here function, and in here we're gonna type again player. This means that the event will be triggered when a player does the action, okay? Next line is gonna be, we're gonna actually print the action that he's gonna do. So when the console, you open F9, you will just see a print that a player did this action, okay? So I'm gonna type print that, actually print player dot name dot, and we're gonna type here the thing I want there to be typed. So I'm gonna type over there activated the prompt. That means, for example, user 123 activated prompt. You just see the outer log, everything. I like to have it there, since it's kind of useful sometimes. Now we're gonna type part dot position equals part dot position plus vector 3 dot new 0 10 0. So basically what I did is just like a custom thing with this cube. I don't want anything complex, but you can do whatever you want with this. You can add doors, keys, everything. I'm just doing a quick script so I can show you how the proximity prompt really looks. So we can actually test it now. Is there anything else to describe? I mean, what I'm doing here is just I'm changing the position of the part, okay? Nothing hard. So we can actually test it now. Let's see. We got a pickup part. You can see I changed name. I'm holding it for 3 seconds. And this is just the script I did, so it just falls down. It's kind of silly, but it's really simple. So actually, just for your creativity, it adds that gameplay that you need in your game. So I definitely recommend you adding this. There's nothing complex with this. Good luck with this and good luck with the game, guys. Have a good time.